Welcome aboard, everyone, to Sir Boats Yacht. If you're passionate about all things aquatic and love exploring innovative watercraft, you've docked at the right channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Aquarius HM-420 series aquatic weed harvester, a vessel that's turning heads in the world of waterway maintenance. Whether you're a boating enthusiast or just curious about how we keep our lakes and rivers pristine, this review is for you. So, grab your life jacket, hit that subscribe button, and let's set sail into the details of this remarkable machine. Let's start with the key features that make the Aquarius HM-420 series stand out. This isn't your typical yacht or speedboat, it's a purpose-built aquatic weed harvester designed to tackle overgrown waterways with ease. At its core, the HM-420 boasts a minimum 7-foot wide horizontal sickle bar, perfect for medium-sized harvesting projects. This cutting edge allows it to slice through submerged, emergent, and free-floating vegetation like an underwater lawnmower, keeping lakes and rivers clear for swimming, fishing, and boating. The harvester is equipped with one horizontal and two vertical cutter bars that work in harmony as it moves forward, ensuring a thorough cleanup. Plus, it has a sturdy storage hold where all the collected weeds are stowed, which can be unloaded back on shore when full. For anyone who's ever wondered how those pesky water plants disappear, this is the hero behind the scenes, blending functionality with environmental care. Now, let's talk about the design of the Aquarius HM-420 series, where engineering meets practicality. This heavy-duty workboat features a V-bow hull that glides effortlessly through the water, cutting through dense weed fields with stability and control. The hull is supported by a strong internal framework and multiple airtight compartments, making it durable enough to handle tough conditions while staying afloat even if one section is compromised. The bright orange color not only makes it highly visible on the water but also signals its role as a hard-working tool rather than a leisure craft. The cutter frames are removable, a clever touch that allows for convenient field maintenance without needing to haul the entire machine back to a workshop. It's a design that screams reliability, tailored for contractors and lake management teams who need a vessel that can keep going day after day. Moving inside, the interior features of the Aquarius HM-420 series are all about operator comfort and efficiency, though it's more of a functional workspace than a luxury cabin. The operating console is built with long workdays in mind, offering a layout that's easy to navigate even after hours of use. Custom controls and weather protection options are available, so operators can adjust the setup to suit their needs or shield themselves from the elements. The storage hold, while not a living space, is a critical feature, designed to carry a substantial load of harvested vegetation. Think of it as the boat's belly, ready to digest and dispose of water weeds. There's no plush seating or entertainment system here, but for its purpose, the focus on practicality over pampering makes perfect sense, ensuring the crew can focus on the job at hand. When it comes to performance aspects, the Aquarius HM-420 series doesn't disappoint. Powered by clean-running, powerful diesel engines known for their longevity, reliability, and fuel efficiency, this harvester is built to last. An additional inline fuel filter ensures the engine stays healthy, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. The 5/8 shore mount paddle wheel technology, with its 13 connection points securely attached to the hydraulic drive, provides the thrust needed to push through heavy weeds or debris fields with stability. The machine's ability to cut vegetation from 1 to 6 feet deep, combined with its efficient conveyor system, means it can handle a variety of aquatic environments, from shallow shores to deeper waters. Performance-wise, it's a workhorse that delivers consistent results, making it a favorite for those managing medium-sized water bodies. Finally, let's explore the unique selling points that set the Aquarius HM-420 series apart from the competition. One of the standout features is its environmentally sound approach to weed control. Unlike chemical treatments that can harm ecosystems, this harvester mechanically removes vegetation, preserving the natural balance of the waterway. The corrosion and wear-resistant sickle blades are designed to cut through the toughest weeds without tangling, and they're individually replaceable, adding to the machine's longevity and ease of upkeep. The shallow draft allows it to operate close to shorelines where other vessels might struggle, giving it versatility across different water depths. For lake associations and contractors, the customizable options mean it can be tailored to specific needs, whether it's adjusting the cutting width or adding weather protection. It's this blend of eco-friendliness, durability, and adaptability that makes the HM-420 a top choice in aquatic management. As we wrap up this journey through the Aquarius HM-420 series, it's clear this vessel is more than just a boat, it's a solution for cleaner, healthier waterways. From its robust 7-foot sickle bar to its efficient diesel engine and thoughtful design, it's built for those who take waterway maintenance seriously. Whether you're watching from the dock or operating one yourself, the HM-420 proves that hard work and innovation can go hand in hand. If you enjoyed this deep dive, drop a comment below about your favorite feature, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Sir Boats Yacht for more aquatic adventures. Until next time, keep exploring the waters, fair winds and following seas.